Hi, this is Ari from Palmeri Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to show you how to knit and wet felt this can koozie. A few years ago, I designed these wine koozie to showcase at the craft store, and they quickly became one of the best-selling gift items, especially during the holiday season. This year, we have been traveling for my son's hockey tournament, so I wanted to craft personalized can koozie for both my husband and myself. They turned out really well. So I'm excited to share the pattern with you today. The pattern is made for 3 different can sizes. Tall 12-ounce can, which is usually used for seltzer, 16-ounce pint can, and regular 12-ounce can. It's called the Game Day Koozie, but feel free to remove the stripes for a solid color to create an entirely different style. The pattern is available for free on my website. The link is posted in the descriptions down below. There are numerous ways to personalize these felted items. In a separate tutorial, I demonstrate how to repurpose waste yarn to add lettering and other designs. You can find the link in the top corner here. This can koozie is knitted from top to bottom in the round. You will need to be familiar with knitting in the round using either double pointed needles or the magic loop method. I will be using Wool of the Andes from Knit Picks, my go-to yarn for felting project. It is number 4 worsted weight yarn with 110 yards per 50 grams. If you're going to substitute with a different worsted yarn, try to find something similar and please ensure it is 100% wool for the best result. You will need 3 different colors. My son's team is Flyer, just like NHL Philadelphia Flyers, so I got orange, black, and white. To make this project, you will need US size 10 6mm circular knitting needles or double pointed needles, 1 tapestry needle, and a stitch marker. While shooting a video, I realized that the black yarn would be very hard to see on the screen, so for the knit along, I've changed the main color to a lighter shade of orange. Now let's get started. With color A, cast on 52 stitches for regular 12-ounce can and 16-ounce pint can. If you are making tall 12-ounce can, which from now on I am going to refer as a seltzer can, cast on 45 stitches. Make sure the stitches are not twisted and join. We are going to knit 22 rounds for regular can, 30 rounds for pint can, and 25 rounds for seltzer can. Switch to color B and knit 3 rounds. There are several techniques for achieving jogless stripes in the round, but the method I prefer is demonstrated here. Join as usual and knit to the end of the round. At the beginning of the next round, pick up the stitch below and knit together. For a detailed tutorial on this technique, you can find the link in the top right corner of the screen and in the descriptions below. If you like this tutorial so far, please hit like. If you'd like to be notified of new tutorials and knitting podcasts, don't forget to hit subscribe. I work really hard to create free content like this. If you feel like supporting what I do, please get me a cup of coffee through a Ko-fi account. The link is listed in the descriptions below. Your support will be used toward necessary subscriptions or equipment to continue making free tutorials and knitting patterns. Thank you for your support. Switch to color C and knit 7 rounds. Then switch the color back to color B and knit 3 rounds. After that, we are going back to color A and knit 6 rounds. From here, we are going to decrease and shape the bottom. Knit 2 together, knit 11. Repeat this for regular can and pint can. For the seltzer can, knit 2 together and knit 7. Repeat this to the end of the round. We are going to decrease 4 stitches every round for regular can and pint can. For the seltzer can, we are going to decrease 5 stitches every round. Continue decreasing this manner in every round until you have 4 stitches remained on the needle for regular can and pint can. For the seltzer can, 5 stitches remaining on the needle. Once you are done with decreasing rounds, cut the yarn and put the tail through every single stitches, and then weave in the ends. We are ready to wet felt this koozie. If you don't know how to wet felt, please refer to the video how to felt knitted items. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Happy knitting!